The beginning was when light first learned to remember, before galaxies sculpted spirals, before stars carved their brilliance into the dark, before time had even settled into a rhythm. Light began its journey, not as illumination, but as witness. Every photon that now touches our eyes was shaped by a universe still learning how to exist. It traveled through storms of matter, through tides of gravity, through the quiet aftermath of ancient upheavals. Long before we were here to observe it, light was already gathering stories. It did not forget. Then the universe took its first footsteps. In the earliest ages, the cosmos trembled with waves, vast ripples of pressure rolling through a sea of newborn particles. When the universe cooled, those ripples froze into place. They became the scaffolding upon which galaxies would one day gather, the faint blueprint of cosmic architecture. Billions of years later, light still follows those frozen waves, as if walking along the footprints of a universe that took its first steps long before stars existed. We do not see the waves themselves. We see the way light bends to their memory. We see the aftermaths of ancient collisions. There were moments when galaxies collided, with a violence beyond imagination. Stars flung into new orbits, gas clouds torn apart, dark matter halos crashing like invisible continents. Those collisions ended. The galaxies moved on. The chaos quieted. But the space they disturbed never fully healed. Gravity left dents. Space-time kept the bruise. And so when light passes through these ancient scars, it bends. Not because the galaxies are still colliding, but because the universe remembers that they once did. Light reveals the ghosts of events that no longer exist. There are also the invisible sculptors. Most of the universe is unseen. Dark matter forms vast, silent structures, cosmic skeletons that hold galaxies in place. We cannot touch it. We cannot illuminate it. We cannot photograph it directly. But light feels it. As photons weave through the cosmos, they curve around these invisible shapes, tracing outlines of structures that have existed for billions of years, yet remain hidden from our eyes. Dark matter does not shine, but it casts a shadow made visible only by the way light bends around it. Light flows with time's gentle stretch. As the universe expands, light is pulled along with it, stretched thinner, softened into longer wavelengths. A photon that began its journey blue may arrive at our telescopes red, its color altered not by its source, but by the growth of the cosmos itself. This stretching is not distortion. It is history. Every shift in color is a measure of how much space has expanded since that photon first set out. Light becomes a ruler for measuring the breadth of the universe. Light also reveals the shadows of what no longer exists. Some stars that shaped the cosmos have long since vanished, collapsed into black holes, scattered into dust, or faded into cold remnants. Yet their influence lingers. Their gravity still guides the paths of nearby stars. Their remnants still tug on passing photons. Their absence still leaves a gap in the cosmic tapestry. Light reveals not only what is present, but what is missing, the outlines of things that once were. In the universe, even absence casts a shadow. Light is the universe's memory. Every photon that reaches us is a survivor of time. It has crossed expanding space, threaded through ancient structures, and carried the imprint of every encounter. Light is not simply brightness. It is testimony. It tells us where the universe has been, what forces shaped it, what events left scars upon its fabric. To study light is to read the autobiography of the cosmos, written not in words, but in the patterns of its journey. Light weaves a human thread. And here we stand, tiny beings on a small world, catching these ancient messengers with mirrors and sensors and restless curiosity. We are not separate from this story. We are part of the same unfolding. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the very events whose shadows light still carries. When we study the patterns of ancient light, we are studying the history that made us possible. The universe remembers, and through light, it allows us to remember too. If the universe preserves every event in the paths of its light, what traces of our own age will one day drift across the cosmos, waiting to be discovered by distant eyes.